I just want to know who did it. I want to know why. My husband was a disabled vet. We built our home here.
A heartbroken wife searching for answers.
He didn't deserve what happened to him.
Letitia Washington says she was home last Saturday night and had just spoken with her husband, 48-year-old Lewis Washington, over the phone when she heard a pop in the driveway.
The door was open. I went around and my husband was laying on the ground. I just saw him, blood, and the food.
Winter Garden police say they believe Washington was shot by this person, captured on a neighbor's surveillance camera. Officers believe the suspect confronted Washington as he got out of his car, shooting him multiple times. Letitia telling me she has no idea who would do this.
It had to be somebody who hated him, but why? I don't know why.
Winter Garden police are asking anyone with information to call their department or crime line. Letitia also asking for help, reminding people that even the smallest thing could bring her husband's killer to justice.
So anything. I don't want people to forget about this next week. I'm never going to forget. The last image I have of my husband is him laying down. My kids don't have a father, you know.
In Orange County, Kelsey Thorud, WESH 2 News.